Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to block ads in Zen Browser with this complete 2026 guide. First, open Zen Browser and go to Settings. In the latest version of Zen Browser, there is no built-in ad blocker setting available. This means you cannot enable or disable ad blocking directly from the browser settings. If you want to block ads while browsing, you'll need to use a trusted ad blocking extension. Once an ad blocker is installed, it can automatically block most ads, pop-ups, and trackers, giving you a cleaner and faster browsing experience. And that's it. That's everything you need to know about blocking ads in Zen Browser. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Zen Browser tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.